Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve affiliate marketing with Kajabi, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the basics of affiliate marketing. Familiarize yourself with what Kajabi offers for marketers. Create a Kajabi account if you haven't already. Navigate to the products section on the dashboard. Click on New Product to set up your first affiliate offer. Choose the type of product you want to promote. Fill in all necessary details, including title, description, and pricing. Set up your payment options in the Sales tab. Next, go to the Affiliate section in the dashboard. Activate the affiliate program by clicking on Enable. Customize the affiliate commission structure according to your goals. Create unique affiliate links for your products. Design promotional materials like banners and email templates. Share these materials with your affiliates for easy promotion. Develop a clear onboarding process for new affiliates. Educate them on your brand, products, and best marketing practices. Use Kajabi's analytics tools to track affiliate performance. Regularly review which affiliates are driving the most traffic and sales. Engage with your affiliates through newsletters or private groups. Provide them with updates, tips, and motivation to enhance performance. Continuously optimize your affiliate offers based on feedback and results. Test different commission structures to see what works best. Encourage affiliates to share their success stories. Celebrate milestones and recognize top-performing affiliates. Utilize social proof by showcasing affiliate success on your platform. Maintain open lines of communication to foster relationships. Keep refining your affiliate marketing strategy based on data insights. Embrace the learning curve and adapt as needed to achieve your goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.